un pitbull. Se ve bonito en el video. No, Bea, no. Go down.
No, don't. And Bea is my doggy. I made a video of her, so you can put pitbull, terrier, and then it will come. This is my next video, but this is the video that I'm doing first. It was the green bird, and she doesn't do that much noise, but this one sings a lot. That one. Look. I think he's inside here. Yeah, he's inside here. Looks black and cheese covering the way, so you can't. Guys, look at him. Cause she knows I'm gonna put this in YouTube. She's a little load up, but since he's here, she doesn't talk. So bye.